Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you Lepro E1 AI Permanent Outdoor Lights Review. Best Smart Eaves Lights Yet? The Lepro E1 AI Permanent Outdoor Lights are a smart lighting system designed for year-round outdoor installation along eaves, roofs or fences, combining RGB plus IC addressable LEDs, tunable white lighting, and app-based AI control to create dynamic, seasonal, or everyday effects. They're controlled via the Lepro Plus app, iOS and Android using Wi Fi or Bluetooth, and you can also control them with voice through Alexa and Google Assistant. The system supports schedules, timers, and music sync along with individual LED color control for personalized scenes, brightness, durability, and weatherproof design, IP rated for outdoor use, aim to make them suitable for most climates and home layouts. Real world impressions are mixed but informative. On the plus side, reviewers note the vibrant colors, solid build quality, and wide range of effects, including AI generated lighting patterns that respond to voice or photos, which set the E1 apart from simpler outdoor string lights and make them visually striking for holidays, parties, or ambient decor. The permanent install hardware and IP65 weather resistance mean they're built to stay up year after year without rehanging. However, there are clear trade offs. Setup can be fiddly. The Lepro Plus app isn't always intuitive and can lag on older phones, and Wi Fi connectivity isn't flawless, which may make voice and remote features harder to use than advertised. Some users also find the provided adhesive pads underwhelming, prompting screw mounting instead, and the power adapter needs to stay dry while the controller is outside. Long term durability is still an open question for many buyers. Overall, the E1 delivers impressive effects and smart features at a much lower price than premium rivals. Thank you for watching this video.